is one of the most important things in life. When we are healthy, we feel good physically and mentally. It allows us to enjoy life and do the things we love. Taking care of our health involves making smart choices every day. Eating healthy is crucial for staying healthy. Our bodies need a variety of nutrients to function well. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like chicken and fish, and healthy fats like those found in nuts and avocados. Avoiding unhealthy foods is just as important. Foods high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats can harm our bodies over time. It's better to limit these foods and opt for healthier alternatives. Drinking plenty of water is essential for our health. Water helps our bodies work properly by regulating temperature, carrying nutrients, and removing waste. It's recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Regular physical activity keeps our bodies strong and healthy. Exercise helps us maintain a healthy weight, strengthens muscles and bones, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Getting enough sleep is important for our overall health and well-being. Sleep allows our bodies to rest and repair themselves. It also helps us concentrate, remember things better, and maintain a healthy immune system. Managing stress is key to living a healthy life. Stress can affect both our physical and mental health. Activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature can help reduce stress levels. Regular medical checkups with a doctor help us stay on top of our health. Doctors can detect health issues early, provide preventive care, and offer advice on healthy living. Dental checkups are also important for oral health. Avoiding harmful habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is crucial for maintaining good health. These habits can lead to serious health problems over time and should be avoided or stopped. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health. Being overweight or underweight can increase the risk of health problems. Eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly can help achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Taking care of our mental health is just as important as taking care of our physical health. Talking to friends, family, or a counselor when feeling stressed or anxious can help improve mental well-being. Spending time outdoors and being active in nature can have numerous health benefits. Fresh air, sunlight, and physical activity can boost mood, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Building and maintaining strong relationships with friends and family is important for emotional health. Good relationships provide support, companionship, and a sense of belonging, which can contribute to overall happiness and well-being. Teaching children healthy habits from a young age sets the foundation for a lifetime of good health. Encouraging them to eat nutritious foods, be physically active, and practice good hygiene helps establish healthy habits early on. Cooking meals at home using fresh ingredients is often healthier than eating out or relying on processed foods. Home-cooked meals allow for better control over ingredients and portion sizes, promoting healthier eating habits. Listening to our bodies and paying attention to signals such as hunger, thirst, and fatigue helps us respond to our body's needs appropriately. Resting when tired, eating when hungry, and staying hydrated are important for maintaining overall health. Learning about nutrition and understanding the importance of balanced meals helps us make informed food choices. Knowing which foods provide essential nutrients and how they benefit our bodies can guide us towards healthier eating habits. Setting realistic health goals can motivate us to make positive changes in our lives. Whether it's eating more vegetables, exercising regularly, or reducing stress, setting achievable goals helps us stay focused and track our progress. Balancing work, rest, and leisure activities is important for maintaining overall well-being. Prioritizing time for relaxation, hobbies, and social activities helps reduce stress and improves quality of life. Making time for relaxation and self-care activities, such as reading, listening to music, or taking a warm bath, helps reduce stress and promotes mental well-being. Taking breaks and practicing self-care is essential for maintaining a healthy balance in life. Developing healthy coping mechanisms for managing stress, such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, or talking to a trusted friend or therapist, helps us navigate challenges and maintain emotional resilience. Building a support network of friends, family members, or support groups can provide emotional support, encouragement, and practical assistance during difficult times. Having a strong support system enhances our overall well-being and resilience. Practicing good hygiene habits, such as washing hands frequently, covering coughs and sneezes, and avoiding sharing personal items, helps prevent the spread of infections and illnesses. Maintaining good hygiene is important for protecting our own health and the health of others. Engaging in regular physical activities, such as walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing, promotes cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, and enhances overall physical fitness. Finding enjoyable and sustainable ways to stay active supports a healthy lifestyle and improves overall well-being. Limiting exposure to harmful substances, such as tobacco smoke, environmental pollutants, and toxic chemicals, reduces the risk of developing health problems and supports overall well-being. Taking steps to minimize exposure to toxins promotes long-term health and enhances quality of life. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. Making nutritious food choices and practicing portion control contributes to maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Getting an adequate amount of sleep each night supports physical health, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. Prioritizing sleep hygiene practices, such as establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and maintaining a comfortable sleep environment, promotes restful and rejuvenating sleep. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, promotes emotional resilience and reduces the harmful effects of chronic stress on overall health. Finding healthy ways to cope with stress enhances mental well-being and supports a balanced lifestyle. Maintaining strong social connections with friends, family members, and community groups fosters a sense of belonging, emotional support, and shared experiences that contribute to overall well-being. Building and nurturing positive relationships promotes mental health and enhances quality of life. Practicing mindfulness and self-awareness techniques, such as journaling, reflective thinking, or mindfulness meditation, promotes emotional intelligence and self-understanding. Developing a deeper awareness of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors supports personal growth and enhances mental well-being. Prioritizing regular medical checkups, screenings, and vaccinations helps detect health issues early and prevent illness. Taking proactive steps to monitor and maintain physical health supports overall well-being and reduces the risk of developing chronic conditions. Embracing a holistic approach to health and well-being involves integrating physical, mental, and emotional aspects of health into daily life. By making informed choices and adopting healthy habits, individuals can enhance their overall quality of life and enjoy the benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Finally, to stay healthy and live a healthy life, it's important to eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular exercise, such as walking or swimming, helps keep our bodies strong. Getting enough sleep and managing stress are also crucial. Avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking protects our health. Regular checkups with healthcare providers and practicing good hygiene further contribute to overall well-being. By making these choices, we can maintain good health and enjoy life to the fullest.